If you want to learn how to set up a content calendar with project management software in under 3 minutes, you're in the right place. I've tested the most popular tools out there, and by the end of this video, not only will you know exactly how to create a functional content calendar fast, you'll also get access to an exclusive free trial of the software we're using, only available to viewers of my channel. Let's get into it. Start by creating a new project or workspace in the software. Name it something simple like Content Calendar or the name of your campaign. This helps you keep everything centralized and easy to access later. Next, create a board or list view, whatever format you prefer. I personally recommend the calendar view, but you'll want to have both list and calendar accessible so you can toggle based on what you're working on. Now, set up your core columns or fields. At a minimum, you'll want a due date, content type, blog, video, social post, etc. Status, idea, in progress, scheduled, published, assigned team member, and a link or file attachment for the actual draft or asset. Once those are in place, create your recurring content types as templates. For example, if you post a YouTube video every Tuesday and an Instagram reel every Thursday, go ahead and pre-fill those out for the next month. This gives your calendar structure and helps you stay consistent. Drag each task into the calendar based on its publish date. This is the heart of your content calendar. It shows you what's going out when and helps you spot any gaps. Now let's automate a couple things. Inside this software, set up automatic reminders for team members a few days before the publish date. You can also automate status changes, like moving a task from in progress to scheduled once a due date is set. Next, add filters. Create views based on content type or status. For example, you can quickly toggle to just show Instagram content or only see what's currently in progress. Now, if you're collaborating with others, invite them to the workspace and assign tasks directly to them. You can tag them in comments, attach drafts, and even integrate with Google Docs or Canva depending on the tool you're using. Once your calendar is built, make it a habit to review it weekly. Adjust deadlines, reassign tasks, and fill in new ideas. The key is consistency and visibility. Quick recap. You created a content calendar in a dedicated project. Set up essential fields like type, status, due date, and assignee. Planned recurring posts ahead of time. Used calendar view for scheduling. Automated reminders and created filtered views for clarity, and invited your team for seamless collaboration. The key takeaway: a great content calendar isn't about complexity, it's about visibility, structure, and consistency. And the right project management software makes all of that effortless. If you want to follow along using the same software I used, there's an exclusive free trial for viewers of my channel linked in the description. No commitment required. Grab that, set up your calendar today, and watch how much smoother your content creation process becomes.